How to log in into Best Buy credit card account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Best Buy credit card login. We'll now proceed to the very first site, login or apply. You will be landing on the official page of Best Buy credit card. As you're looking forward on how to log in into your Best Buy credit card account, first of all you have to enter the user ID and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on reset password and recover it. So once you have entered the user ID and the password, you have to click on sign on. Once you click on sign on, you will be successfully logged in into your Best Buy credit card account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Best Buy credit card account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.